Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure to join this landmark occasion as we celebrate 30 years of successful cooperation between the Kyrgyz Republic and the United Nations Development Programme. Together, we have realized a wide range of tangible results benefiting communities across the country. Reflecting the progress made, the very latest Human Development Report Index shows that between the years 1990 and 2021, Kyrgyzstan's life expectancy alone at birth increased by 5.7 years. Yet, as UNDP's new Human Development Report also points out, we now face a period of immense global uncertainty. As the COVID-19 pandemic refuses to loosen its grip, the tragic war in Ukraine is precipitating a global cost of living crisis. UNDP is working closely with Kyrgyzstan to roll out much-needed solutions that are helping to tackle the underlying causes of poverty and inequalities. That includes supporting startup businesses, helping to increase employment opportunities for young women and men in rural areas. We're also working to boost the tourism industry, opening up new jobs and livelihoods. Kyrgyzstan is being strongly affected by the impacts of the climate crisis as well. Even though it emits just 0.03% of global greenhouse gas emissions, Kyrgyzstan submitted an ambitious revised nationally determined contribution, or NDC, in the year 2021 with support from UNDP's Climate Promise. That includes a commitment to emissions reduction targets of more than 43% by the year 2030 compared to a business-as-usual scenario. Notably, Kyrgyzstan is leading efforts to promote international collaboration on biodiversity protection too. UNDP is proud to support the emergence of new tools for transboundary cooperation, including innovative ways to protect snow leopards and their habitats. That includes action against the illegal wildlife trade and conservation efforts with the support of the Global Environment Facility. We are also assisting with Kyrgyzstan's integrated national financing framework, which is helping to drive finance towards the Paris Agreement and investments in the Sustainable Development Goals. Indeed, the country is a beacon for groundbreaking ways to advance the SDGs. For instance, Kyrgyzstan has linked tax incentives worth around 5% of its GDP to Sustainable Development targets, and again, we were proud to support this work. We're also assisting in the design of a revolutionary debt for nature swap. Advancing gender equality also remains central to our common work. That includes the UN's partnership with the European Union and Kyrgyzstan through the Spotlight Initiative to eliminate violence against women and girls. UNDP has also been proud to help to develop a pioneering chatbot that enables women to identify signs of psychological and financial abuse online. Kyrgyzstan and UNDP are exploring new development frontiers to also get ahead of emerging challenges. That includes working to shape a digital parliament and supporting businesses to adopt new technologies. Or let us look to the country's UNDP Accelerator Lab, which is surfacing and scaling up cutting-edge development solutions from within the country, including how to design cities of the future. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we deeply appreciate the trust invested in UNDP by the people and government of Kyrgyzstan since the year 1992. This partnership is the solid foundation for the outstanding results that we have co-created together. I would also like to take this opportunity to commend my UN and UNDP colleagues in the country for their crucial work and commitment. In many ways, we are bringing science, knowledge, technology and opportunity closer to those who can turn them into development choices and pathways for their future. At this crucial moment for people and planet, UNDP, the UN family and our many partners will continue to be on hand to support the advancement of the Sustainable Development Goals across Kyrgyzstan towards a greener, a more inclusive and a more sustainable future for all. Thank you.